This is a typical question in percentage. Price of a commodity goes up by X%. By what percent the quantity must be reduced so that the total amount spent by the consumer is constant? We have all done this sum using this formula. If the price goes up by X%, by what percent consumption must be reduced so that the amount spent by the consumer is constant? The formula for this is X by 100 plus X into 100. For example, if the price goes up by 20%, then reduction in consumption should be 20 by 120 into 100, that is 16 2/3%. Perfect. No problem with that, except that this cannot be used in certain situations, which we will see later. So what I would say is, rather than mugging up the formula, let us try it another way. Let the price or unit price is 100 rupees. Quantity consumed initially is 100. The total amount spent in rupees will be price into quantity, 10,000. If the price goes up by 20%, it becomes 120. Amount has to be constant, so remains 10,000. At 120 rupees, how many units can I consume? That is 10,000 divided by 120, 83 1/3 units. What is the reduction in percentage? Well, 100 minus 83 1/3 by 100 into 100, that's 16 2/3%, right? We don't need to show this step, because from here if you subtract this from 100, you subtract this, you get the answer. Obviously, some of you will think this is too long. Let us take another example first. This is the second question in this series, which again we are all familiar with. Price of a commodity goes down by Y%. By how much percent the consumption should be increased so that the total amount spent is constant? Again, method 1, using the formula Y by 100 minus Y into 100. Suppose price goes down by 20%, quantity that should increase so that total expenditure remains same is 20 by 100 minus 20 into 100, 25%. Same thing can be done using what I just explained. Assuming price is 100 per unit, units consumed is 100, total amount spent is 10,000. Price goes down by 20%, becomes 80 rupees. Amount spent remains constant at 10,000. Number of units I can consume is 10,000 divided by price, 125 units. So increase in the quantity consumed will be 125 minus 100 by 100 into 100, 25%, or simply 125 minus 100, that's 25%. Again, the cynics will say, why should I adopt this cumbersome procedure? Let's look at another example. Now there is a slight variation in the question. The question now is, price goes up by X%. How much should the quantity be reduced if the amount goes down or up by Z%, let's say. Say, the question says, price of a commodity goes up by X% or 40%. By how much should the quantity be reduced if the total amount spent on that commodity increases by 30%? Can we use any of the formulas that we just mentioned? I don't think so. Can we use any formula? I don't think so. So what do? We do the alternative method. Assuming price was 100 rupees, quantity was 100 units, total amount spent is 10,000 rupees. Now price has gone up by 40%. That means price per unit is 140. Amount spent goes up by 30%. So I am able to spend, instead of 10,000, 30% more, that is 13,000. So how much can I consume? I can consume 13,000 divided by 140. Amount by price, 92.86 units. So how much less do I have to consume? 100 minus 92.86, 7.14%. No need of any formulas. No need of trying. Enjoy. Thanks a lot.